Hall of Fame Week at Full Sail University is back. Students, alumni, faculty, and staff can look forward to a 3-day celebration of all things Full Sail with interactive events, expos, and experiences across our Winter Park campus. Community events throughout the week will keep your creativity flowing. From the creative experience and outdoor student stage to the cosplay contest and Hall of Game LAN party, you'll get the chance to display your unique interests, originality, and passion all week long. Live alumni sessions invite you to explore topics across entertainment, media, and technology. Plus, you'll get to ask questions and present your unique perspective while learning from some of Full Sail's most accomplished grads. From meeting employers across media and entertainment at the Career Networking event to testing new tech at the Technology Expo, this is your chance to sharpen your skills. Close out the week at the Block Party featuring live music, incredible giveaways, and more. Worried you'll miss something? Tune into Hall of Fame Live to catch the week's biggest highlights. We'll see you at Hall of Fame Week.